Good afternoon, all of you. Clerical number 36 reasoning session. The first question: 14 people, A to G, P to V, living in a 7-story building with ground floor is 1, top floor is 7. A to G live in the flat 1, which is left of flat 2, each floor, and P to V and live in flat 2 in the not in the same order. Okay. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 flats on each floor. 2 flats on each floor. Take it as 2 possibilities. Flat 1, flat 2, flat 1, flat 2. They are clearly mentioned. A to G lives in the flat 1, P to V lives in the flat 2. So A to G lives in one flat, P to V lives in flat 2. Now, the number of persons living below C the same as number of persons living above T, and C lives on the floor higher than the floor number on which T lives. So C lives above the T only. The number of persons living below the C is equal to above the T is equal to must be same. They are saying below the C persons, above the T persons must be same, and should be C is above the T only. Now Q lives on the floor which is above the floor on which G lives. So Q lives on the floor above the G lives, like that. V lives on the floor number which is a perfect square of even number. So V lives a perfect square of even number below the 7 only one number. What's that number? 4. So there is only chance of V, there is only chance of V here. Clear ma? Now 2 persons live between B and A, and B does not live on the floor which V lives. So B and A 2 persons, B and V does not the same floor. B and V does not the same floor. S lives above the R but below the P. S lives above the R but below the P. Like this only chances. Who does not live on the floor in which B lives? Who does not live on the floor which B lives? So B and P also not the same floor. C does not live on the top floor. So C is not lives on the top floor. Then there are 3 persons living between F and G who lives immediately below the C. So F and G there is a 3 persons. Who means G lives immediately below the C. So G is immediately below the C. They are saying D and U lives on the same floor. D and U lives on the same floor, but not on the top floor, but not on the 7th floor. That is information they are given. Now come on, below the C same as above the T they are talking about. If for example I am taking as C, they are saying below C is not the top floor. Below the C how many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And above T must be 5. There is only chance of T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take it as C is here, below the C how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Above the T how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is only chances. And C is not possible of below T. Like this C is not possible because of they are saying C is must be above the T only. So these two only chances. These two only chances. Now F and G lives below the C, immediately below the C. So only chance of G is here, the only chance of G is here. Clear ma? Now Q is above the G, means maybe chance of Q, maybe chance of Q. Just wait for that. Now A and G lives, that's the information only. F and G there is a 3 persons. 1, 2, 3 persons, there is only chance of F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this case not at all possible. Now immediately convert it to first possibility again this case. So only chance of here T, only chance of here C, only chance of here G, only chance of here F. Now take it as one Q, take it as another Q. Take it as one Q, take it as another Q. Now P and A lives in the T and U lives in the same floor but not in the 7th floor. D not possible, D not possible. Only chance D and U, these only chances. In this case, D not possible, D not possible. Only chance again D and U the same flat. Because they are taking not the 7th floor. Now, A and B, very good. P and A, 2 persons. If there is a P 2 persons, A not possible. P not possible because of P and B not possible. So only chance of A, only chance of B. And again B and A only chances here. B and A only chances here. Next, PSR. Only chances of PSR. Only chance of PSR. But P is not in the floor of B. P and B same floor, so this case not possible. Only chance of this case, and the remaining person is perfect. So question number 66. Who among the following lives on the floor on which A lives? B lives. Option A is right answer. Which of the following pair of person live on the same floor? FT. The remaining person? No, not FT. DV? No. CS? No. PQ? Yes. Option D is right answer. Who lives immediately above? The one who lives on the floor which F lives. F lives immediately above evadamavadu? T only. Option B. How many persons live between P and R? 1, 2, 3, 4. Option E. 4 of the following fire alike. F. Odd floor. C. Even floor. Q. Odd floor. T. Odd floor. U. Odd floor. Only C. Even floor. Remaining all are odd number floors. So option B is right. Only Uber is drive means all drive is Uber. Some part of drive is restriction part. Q nano is Uber. Mostly nano is Audi. Every means all. All drive can be nano. Drive is very restriction part, no? So not at all possible. Some Audi can be drive. So this is Audi, this is drive. Again drive is very restriction part. Again not possible. So neither one not possible. Only few. Milo is kilo, some part of Milo is not a kilo. All kilo is pillow. Few pillow is else. Some part of pillow is not else. Sorry. Only few they say. Mostly Milo is not pillow. Mostly means some. Some Milo is not pillow. Milo pillow is here. They are not talking about Milo pillow restriction. They are asking, not for all else can be kilo. This is else, this is kilo. There is no restriction about these two. They are asking possibility. Yes, only two for this. The position of the first and third alphabet of each word interchanged. How many meaningful words are there? LAH, not meaningful word. HUT, hut, meaningful. CAR, car, meaningful. SON, sun, meaningful. NOT, not meaningful. More than 3. More than 3. The words are arranged in the order as they would appear in dictionary from left to right, the lowest to highest. Which word the following would be the third from the right? Third from the right means third from the highest, otherwise third from the lowest, na? Then how to third from the lowest? First lowest. Third is exactly middle, na? Third highest or third lowest? First highest, first lowest, then second lowest, then third lowest. RAC. So option C is right. They are asking indirectly third highest, otherwise third lowest also. If the each of the given words, each of the consonants change to previous letter, so consonants change to previous letter. Now vowel is changed to next letter. Vowel is changed to next letter. In English alphabetical series, in how many words thus formed will at least one vowel appear? At least one vowel I want. Forget about all vowels. Concentrate on consonant. If that consonant change to previous letter, that letter should be the vowel, means which consonant required? Immediate next of vowel, na? Then tell me that those consonants. Immediate next of vowel consonant, tell me. P, F, J, or not true. P, B. If these consonants only, you will get the chance of vowels. Otherwise, you will not at all any vowel. Now, BFJPV, there is no. PFJPV, no. BFJPV, no. BFJPV, no. BFJPV, no. What the answer? None. Next. How many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between the third letter of the word, which is third from the right hand? Third from the right hand, third letter is what? C. And first letter of the word, which is first from the left hand. What's that? H. 8 minus 3, 5 minus 1, 4. Option A. 12 people are sitting in two parallel rows, sitting in row 1 facing north direction, while U, V, W, X, Y, Z sit in row 2 facing south direction. The person sitting in row 1 faces the person sitting in row 2. Row 1 itama north direction. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, A sit third right of E. Take it as E. First right, second right, third right. A is here. One of them sit extreme and they're saying. Now take it as A. First right, second right, third right. One of the person A, I am taking one of the person E. W is third right of Z. Who is immediate neighbor of the one who faces A? The one who faces A is here. And Z is immediate neighbor means only chance of that. W is third right of Z. First, second, third right W. One of the immediate neighbor of A may be here, may be here. If that Z, there is no place for W. So only chance of Z is here. First right, second right, third right, W is here. Clear, man? A neighbor may be this person, may be this person. If I am taking as Z, there is no place for W. So that's why cancellation of Z is here, only chance of Z is here. Now, U and X are immediate neighbors of each other and both of them do not opposite to A. So U and X immediate neighbors means only chance of U and X, only chance of U and X, and both of them not opposite to A means outer case is not possible. Outer case is not possible. Then immediately convert it to inner case only na. Okay, then forget about outer case. U and X mani either are vastudan na bada. Okay. X are U, U are X. Then D second left of B, one of the immediate neighbor of X is one of the immediate neighbor of X faces F. Okay. D does not face opposite to V. D second left of B. D second left of B, these only chances for D second left of B. One of the immediate neighbor of X faces F. If I take it as X, there is no chance of F. So only chance of X, only chance of U, only chance of F and remaining person. And C does not face opposite to V means remaining person is C, not opposite to V means only chance of V and remaining person. That's it. And 4 of the following 5 are related certain way, they are asking odd one out. Why? End position V, end position C, end position A, end position Z is not the extreme end position. So option E is right on. Next, which of the following is statement is true regarding E? So E faces X? No. E is extreme end? No. E is immediate right of B? No. E is one of the neighbor of D? Option D is right on. Option D is the right on. What is the position of F with respect to E? First, second to the right. Second to the right. Option C. How many persons is between V and X? One person. Option A. Who among the following sit opposite to E? U is opposite to E. Option B. 6 persons, different working experience. Less than 3 persons have more experience than you. Less than 3 persons have more experience than you. Less than 3 persons. Only 2 persons are experienced between U and B. Who has less experience than P? Less than 3. More experience fine radhamu, less experience kin radhamu. Take it as more, take it as less. Okay? Less than 3 persons have more experience than you. More than you, less than 3 means take it as 2 na? For example, maybe 1 also, maybe 0 also, but take it as 2. More than you means less than 3 persons have more experience than you. So more experience than you, the less than 3 persons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. One person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Okay. Now, only 2 persons are experienced between U and B. Who has less experience than P? Who is that? P is less than P. Maybe immediately, may not be. In between P and P, so many. Only 1 person is experienced between P and E. Okay, who has more experience than both P and Y? So, E is more experienced than P and Y, but only 1 person between E and P. If I take it as P, E not possible. P, E not possible. Only chance of P, only chance of E. But E is more than P and Y means only chance of Y. P is not possible. Is P, E not possible? Only chance of P, only chance of E, and P, Y may be chance of E, maybe chance of. Next, J is not experienced immediately more and immediately less than B. There is no place for G. So only chance of J is here. Okay, ma'am? Now, the one who had second highest and second lowest experience are 6 and 3 years of respectively. 6 and 3. So question number 82. How many persons have more than E? One person. Option C. A very tricky one. This is because of experience more or less something. The difference between the experience of E and U is 1. Okay. Then 5 only chances. Then experience of P is. Then what is the experience of P? 4 years. How many years of experience did J have? More than 6 only. 9. Otherwise, 4, 5 cannot be determined. How many experience of did J have? Cannot be determined. Because of in the question they are asking what is the possibility of experience they have? 9. Correctly they are asking how many experience of did they have? So directly cannot. Okay. If in the question how many years of experience did they have? How many years of experience of possible did they have? 9. Go with 9. They are asking exactly how many years of experience did they have? No, you cannot determine. More than 6 at any number chances. Okay, 9 ichunde cannot be determined ichundakodu. 9 bedadam. Next. 10 people, rectangle sitting around rectangle shaped table. 4 persons sitting on the corner and facing towards the table. Rest persons sitting on the sides are facing away from the table. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons are sitting corner and sides are facing outside. 2 persons sitting on each longer side and 1 person sitting on each smaller side. Wait. Four, 6, 10 members. Okay. 3 people are sitting between Z and U. Who faces the immediate neighbor of V? So, 3 people are sitting between Z and U. Who faces immediate neighbor of V? U facing immediate neighbor of V. Yeah, U facing means compulsory inside. That's it. Facing means compulsory inside. U is facing immediate neighbor of V. U is facing immediate neighbor of V. U is facing immediate neighbor of V. Z and U 3 persons. 1, 2, 3 persons Z not possible. 1, 2, 3 persons Z only chances. 1, 2, 3 persons Z not possible. 1, 2, 3 persons Z only chances. Okay. Now, exit third left of V. First, second, third. First, second, third. And does not sit adjacent to Z. Who is that? X is not adjacent to Z. So this case is not possible. Then, immediately converted to first one. U, V, then Z, and then X. Only 2 persons between V and W. So 2 persons W is here. Again, not possible. 2 persons W is here. R faces the one who sits 3 places away from W. R faces the one who sits 3 places away from W. 1, 2, 3. 3 places away from W. R faces are saying 1, 2, 3. R faces 3 places away from W. There is only chance of R. Faces means they are facing it to each other, na? Then again, R faces 3 places away from W. So 1, 2, 3 positions of R. R faces 3 persons away from W. 1, 2, 3. 3 persons away means third person only. The number of persons sitting between Z and X is same as W and S. Z and X is same as W and S. Who sits third rate of Y? Who is that? There is no Y. S is third rate of Y. Okay. Then come on. Z and X how many persons? 4 persons. W and S also 4 persons. Up to now both are same, na? Then what happened? Just wait for that. And Z and X same as W and S. S is third rate of Y. There is a Y, first rate, second rate, third rate. There is a Y, first rate, second rate, third rate. There is not chance for Y. The only chance for Y is now. Neither T nor X it adjacent to V. Neither T nor X it adjacent to V. So TX not possible. T and X is not possible for this. And what is the chance for T and X? Yeah, X already gone now. The remaining chance of T is here. And put the remaining person. Just wait. T does not sit on the corner. So T is better. How many people sit between Z and U when counted left of U? Left of U and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members. T faces. Okay. R faces the one who sits 3 places away from W. First, second, third. అదే తీసుకుంటే లేదు కదా 1 2 3 ఉన్నాడు ఆల్రెడీ 3 ప్లేసెస్ అవే అంటే ఐదర్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ as లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ రైట్ నా ఫేసింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి ఇన్సైడ్ అవ్వాలి ఆర్ ఎటు ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు డబ్ల్యూకి 3 ప్లేస్ అవేలో ఆర్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు డబ్ల్యూకి 3 ప్లేస్ అవే యూనే కదా వీటికి ఆర్ ఫేస్ చేస్తుంది ఇటు ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటావు ఇటు ఉంది కదా ఇటు తీసుకోవాలంటే ఆల్రెడీ వి ఉంది అక్కడ ఛాన్స్ లేదు ఆర్ ఫేసెస్ ఎవరిని ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు డబ్ల్యూకి 3 ప్లేస్ అవే ఉన్నవాడు ఆర్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు కరెక్టే కదా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ అసలు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకున్నా ఇక్కడ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫేసింగ్ కదా వీళ్ళు అవ్వదు అసలు ఈ ఫస్ట్ లైనే ఫేసింగ్ అన్న చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ తోటి నేను యూ అండ్ ఆర్ ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేశాను కాకపోతే నాకు యూకి చాలా పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయి చిన్న ఫేసింగ్ అన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ తోటి నేను యూ ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేశాను ఫస్ట్ okay then how many people sit between Z and U when counted from left of U 1 2 3 4 5 members so more than 4 who among the following persons is third rate of Q remaining person Q na adena first and second and third rate Z is here the person opposite to X option D how many persons sit between W and the one who sits fourth left of S 1 2 3 4th left of S is this person. How many sit between W and S when counted on right of W? How many? Tuna. Anna. You can see. As many persons sit between R and Y? Etnunchanda. When counted from both. Adi maname chudala. Okay. As many persons between R and Y? So 1 2 3 left to chuddam. లెఫ్ట్ కి ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు 3 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు దెన్ ఎస్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ కి 3 మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ అండ్ వై ద పర్సన్ సిట్ బిట్వీన్ ఎస్ 3 పర్సన్స్ 1 2 3 పర్సన్స్ జెడ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఉండాలి జెడ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఉందా as many persons sit between R and Y same as the person sit between S and Z when counted from both R and S left. Then I have to fill that option C is right. And 4 of the following pair like okay then T outside Q outside X outside S inside Z outside and option D is right. Otherwise S is corner remaining on our sides 7 boxes okay 7 boxes here A to G are kept one above another such that the bottommost box is number 1 and the topmost box is number 7 but not in the same order. The boxes contain mobile phones 7 different brands. Okay 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7. B is kept third from the top and it contains Vivo mobile. So B has Vivo and B has Vivo. One box between B and A, which does not contain Nokia or Apple. One box between B and A, one box between B and A, but A does not contain Nokia and Apple. Box E does not contain Nokia mobile, but is kept box above the F. E above the F, but E does not contain Nokia. 3 boxes between A and D, which contains LG mobile. 1, 2, 3 box C, this is LG. 1, 2, 3 box 60, so this is LG. The one box kept between D and G, only chance of here, this case not possible. Box C contains Samsung mobile and it is kept just above the G. C is Samsung, just above the G, which does not contain Nokia. This Nokia aithe C kuda Nokia kadanta. A kaadu, E kaadu, A kaadu. E is above the F. Veeliddaru Nokia kadante F only Nokia. So A Apple kuda kaadu. Ekkada cheppada. Box C contains Samsung, G does not contain Nokia, Carbon, Apple mobile. Okay. G does not contain Nokia, Carbon, Apple. Enti? Sorry, A migilindu adi. Okay, fine. HTC. Next. So A does not also Apple means only chance of Apple and only chance of Carbon. Which box contains HTC? G box. Option C. The box which kept just below the F, LG, D, option C. How many boxes are kept between A and Nokia? A and Nokia, how many? 2, option C. What is the position of C from the bottom? Second, option B. 4 of the following Faraday, box A, carbon, odd number, E, even number, F, even number, okay, fine. A carbon, yes. E apple, yes. F apple, no. Option C is right. If a meaningful word can be formed of using second, 4th, 6th, 11th, 12 letters to the word. Come on, second is O, then 4th is R, 5, 6 is E, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. KS, OR KS. What is the meaningful word? Okay. What is the letter exactly middle of the word formed? If no such word can be formed, then mark X is your answer. OREKS. SKORE. What the score? SCORE kada? So no meaningful word. Option D is right answer. Option D, no meaningful word. Only no. Next. 96 to 98. Rahul steps out of his home and starts walking towards east from point P. Okay. He walks 5 meters and reaches point Q. He takes left turn. And walks 4 meters to reaches point R. Now he takes east and walk another 5 meters, reaches S. He saw his father and walks towards him at a point T, which is 10 meters south of his last location. So his last location is only chances na. South means only chance of 4 and 6. This is T. Meet the father is here. Okay. South from his last location, then both turns towards west and walk 5 meters, reaches point U. So 5 meters reaches point U. At point V is the school of Rahul, which is 4 meters south of U. Okay, 4 meters south of U, this is school of Rahul. His father drops Rahul at school and walks towards his office, which is the point W, which is 5 meters west of V. At point V is the school of Rahul. So this is V, and 5 meters west of V. So 5 meters west of the W, 5 meters west of, that's it. This is home, this is father, this is school, this is office. T2 అడిగాడా? ఓకే చూద్దాం. What is the distance, not the displacement, between Rahul's starting point and father's office? ఎంత? 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 meters. Option A. What is the shortest distance between Rahul's starting point and his school? 6 plus 4, 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is what? 5 root 5. Option A is right. 100 plus 25. Root of 125. 5 root 5. Rahul's father's office is in which direction with respect to the point where Rahul and his father meet for the first time? Rahul's father's office, which is direction with respect to point where Rahul his father meet point. So this is what? South. This is what? West. In between? Southwest. Option C is right. Option C. They are asking this direction. And come on. L to P is going or not going, ma? L to M is going, M to P is going, with luggage follows. N to Q. N to Q is going or not going, then asking with luggage, not at all follows, only one follows. Because of N to Q is only luggage, without luggage. P to R. There is no route to R at all. Yes, R is there. P to U is going, U to Y. P to Y is going, Y to R is going, without luggage follows. F to E. F to E. G to E. Without luggage follows. Fourth option E is right. Any doubt, ma? Thank you all of you.